Blessed good night to each and everyone. Welcome to How Can I Help Speak on this channel. And this is Murphy. And tonight you're tuning to another edition of OG Talk. The topic tonight is Kobe Bryant. Died today, January 26, 2020. Or I should say 2020. The Black Mamba is no longer with us. Yeah. Died this morning in a crash in a helicopter with his daughter and 7 other passengers. Whether they were passengers or friends, but there were 7 other people in the helicopter. And people, I'm trying to put myself as a father with 3 daughters and 1 son. I'm trying to put myself, or I put myself in that position as Kobe Bryant today in that helicopter. With your child beside you. I could just see her turning around or turning and looking towards him, asking him to help me, Daddy. I don't want to die. And Kobe sitting there doing his best to comfort his daughter. Try not to cry. Or try not to show any form of weakness. Just trying to be strong for her. I can imagine what he was going through at that moment, knowing that the helicopter is going down and there is nothing he can do. It's out of his hands. All out of his hands. There is nothing he can do more than sit there and hug his child. And to be strong as he can ever be. And to tell her it's going to be okay. Daddy loves you. I could see Kobe kissing her on the forehead and telling her it's going to be okay. Daddy love you. It's going to be okay. With tears coming down of her eyes, man. With tears running down her cheeks. This child is crying. Asking her father, who is helpless at the moment. There is nothing that he can do. Nothing he can do more than hug her. And try to comfort her while they're going to their death. Helicopter going down. People, if you have children, you can understand what I'm saying tonight. Put yourself in that position. Put yourself in that position with your child, because I am pretty sure that child was saying to her father, Daddy, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Help me, Daddy. And Daddy have to sit there and try and be as strong as possible to comfort his little girl, man. I'm telling you, man, I can't stop thinking about that. That's hard. That is hard. You're at a point where you're helpless. There is nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. Oh God, man. I feel it for the youth, man. I feel it for the youth. This is not like somebody chase you down out the street or do you something and you go call your parents to come defend it and your parents can come. You and your parent are in a position. Oh, God of mercy. R.I.P. Kobe. R.I.P to your little daughter. Condolence to your wife and your 3 other children. Condolence to your family, brethren. This one hurt, people. This one hurt. It hurt to do this video. It hurt. When you have children, and you lose them, it hurts. When you lose your parent, it hurts. But when you lose 2 out of a family, it rips you up more. Condolence to his wife. I can imagine what that woman is going through. But have faith, baby girl. Have faith. And stand strong. Because you got 3 children there who depending on you right now. Stay strong. And they need to see you strong. Yeah. They lost their daddy. They lost their sister. And you are all they have right now. You are the only thing they have to hold on to. Hold on tight, baby girl. Love them children. Death gives you no date or time. Death just come. If you know after time the things that's going to happen to you, you can do something to prevent it. But you don't know the minute nor the hour. This is How Can I Help Speak on this channel. This is Murphy. Another edition of OG Talk. R.I.P to Kobe Bryant, aka the Black MAMBA. Yeah. Blessings, youth. R.I.P.